I wanted to make a quick video to talk about my Jaguar. It's a Squier Classic Vibe 60s Jaguar that's been heavily modified. I painted the headstock black to match the body. Even though I'm not a huge fan of putting stickers on guitars, I thought it would be pretty cool to put my logo on the headstock. Missing Time is the name I used to release my solo music. I'll put a link to that in the description. This other sticker is just a nod to the X-Files and science fiction in general, which inspires a lot of my music. I replaced the pickups with humbuckers. These are GFS Fat Pats from GuitarFetish.com. They're just PAF style humbuckers and sound pretty good for $60 a set. I had to route the body and pick guard to fit these new pickups. These black rings help hide my rough work. The wiring is completely different than a normal Jag. The master volume and tone is now a volume and tone for the bridge pickup, and the two sideways pots from the rhythm circuit are now a volume and tone for the neck pickup. I replaced the bottom control plate with one from a Kurt Cobain Jaguar, so now instead of having 3 slider switches, it has a 3-way Gibson style pickup selector and 1 slider switch that splits the bridge pickup. The last switch on the top plate splits the neck pickup. This is a super versatile guitar. I use it on recordings all the time. It's tuned to C#. I write and play a lot of songs in that tuning, so I just decided to keep a guitar tuned to that. It was a lot of work putting this together, but now I've got a one-of-a-kind Jaguar with all my ideal specs. Now I'm going to play the Jaguar through my Blues Jr, just a clean tone to show off all 8 different pickup options. Now here's a few of my favorite tones I can get out of this guitar with some effects pedals. Here's a cleanish tone using Keeley Compressor Plus and an MXR Micro Chorus, and both pickups split. Here's the bridge humbucker with a bit of overdrive. Here's a pretty cool psychedelic lead tone using the neck humbucker, a Big Muff Carbon Copy, and a Small Stone. And for some more high gain heavy metal tones, here's the Jaguar running to my Diezel VH Micro into a Marshall 412. So that's my custom Jaguar. It was a lot of fun to modify and put together, and even more fun to play and record. Maybe I'll do some more of these gear related videos in the future. Check out my music, Missing Time. You can find that on my channel and down in the description. Check out my other videos, guitar covers, stuff like that. Thanks for watching.